Hello and welcome to the Elvatech's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss an important topic, and that's gonna be how to change the XRF windows for ProSpector 3 correctly and safely. So basically, the cover of the red one's Ultralene allow us to detect light elements, and it's pretty thin. And the cover of the yellow one's Kapton allow us to analyze everything except light elements. And the detective range is gonna be good. It's not influencing that. Alright, so let's start changing films. Then you should check the under the nose of the device. You can see the button right here. All you need to do is to push this one and see the magic. It's gonna open itself. Then we take in the old XRF window and just look at this one. Probably you're gonna see the small fingerprint, and if it's a dust on this fingerprint, it definitely gonna influence your analysis. So you should never do analysis if you see such kind of fingerprints or any kind of dust in this layer. So we took the old one aside and taken this one. Oh, and also there is some safety features here, because this area is one of the most important areas in your device. We have the XRF tube here and we have the detector here, and the detector window is really thin, so you should never wipe it or even blow in it. Just better regularly change your XRF windows. So we just gonna take it this way, make sure that everything fitted, and then we just gonna close it. That's it. You can see that XRF window is fixed exactly where it should be. The window analysis window is not covering with any kind of frame, and nothing gonna influence for accuracy of our analysis. So we just show you the practical case how to remove and put back the XRF windows for ProSpector 3. And this is really important topic, because on the XRF windows there could be some contamination or dust from the previous samples, and it's really important, if you would like to have the accurate results, to change it periodically, like once in a week or once in a couple weeks. But even then, before every measuring, you should check how the XRF window is clean or is it dirty, and is it need any kind of maintenance. And that's all for today, and our next episode's gonna be on the same topic but with a ProSpector 2. It's a bit different, but still it's easy and effective. Thank you for your attention, and if you like this video, just put some likes on it so we know you enjoy it. And if you would like to know more interesting facts or interesting topics, just write us in the comments or directly to our managers. They will be happy to assist you and to make sure that you do everything correctly. And thank you for your attention. Stay tuned and see you soon.